Alright people, Big Ed here, working on the 82 Harley Ironhead Sportster. I just got done undoing the clutch hub, taking the nuts off. I've decided I'm going to take it down and split the cases and everything. That motor mount, that back motor mount was had a crack in it, and the way they design these damn things, let's see if I can find the crack. Right there's the crack. The only way to take this off is you got to split the cases. That's a bad design on Harley's part. But anyways, kind of wanting to do I've never done a full tear down. I've done top end 2 times. But I'm going to do a complete tear down. I'm going to split the cases. I already took the pistons off. And might take it somewhere and have the crankshaft checked out. You know, I'm in this deep. I plan on going the long haul on this. These gear pullers right here work great for this, pulling this off. I'm not telling anybody to do it this way, but it works good. You put it behind that big sprocket back there, tighten it on, and then you undo your nuts. And then once you get all the nuts off, because you'll have this compressed, you'll have that big spring compressed. Once you do it, then you back this off and you're done. They got a special tool. It's like a long bar, and one bolt screws right there and one screws down there, and then you got a centerpiece. But this worked fine for me. And like I said, this ain't a how-to video, and I'm not telling anybody to do it this way. Wink, wink. But anyways, that's where I'm at on the motorcycle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.